In this Elementor tutorial video, I will show how to embed a Google form in the Elementor page builder so that your website visitors won't have to leave your website in order to fill up the form. So firstly, I'll start by removing this Google form over here and starting again. And over here, you can see that this is the Google form which I have made. This is a very simple Google form. In order to embed it in your Elementor page, all you need to do is go over here, click over here, okay? And then you need to click over here, embed HTML, okay? Click on this. And now you simply click on this copy button over here. So it is copied to clipboard. Then you go to your page, okay? Then you search for HTML. I will copy, I will drag and drop it over here. Okay, so if you're finding this video useful, then I would request you to please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so then what you need to do is after dragging and dropping this HTML code over here, all you need to do is paste the code which you have copied. Okay, you see this is the Google form over here, but you see that there is another line over here. Okay, I will simply save it as draft and just show you the issue. And I'll click on this over here, and you see there is another bar over here, so it's not fitting in. So in order to do that, all you need to do is increase the height. Okay, some forms are a bit big. I'll make it 1200, or maybe I make it 100%. No, it doesn't work. All you need to do is make it 1200 pixels. Just say 1200. Okay, and you see now you see the horizontal scroll bar disappeared. I'll save as draft again. Okay, and then now you see there is no horizontal scrolling bar over here, additional one. You see, just increase the height as you see fit. Okay, so this is how you embed Google form in Elementor WordPress. Okay, so I hope that you found this video useful. If you did, then again, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.